Hey tea lovers! This week we are so excited to have released 7 new wellness teas and are featuring one of them for this week's Tea of the Week. Introducing Organic Blood Pressure Tea. Organic thyme, a fragrant herb, is full of antioxidants, which can help reduce oxidative stress in the body. It also contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may contribute to overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, thyme has shown vasodilatory effects, which can help relax and widen blood vessels, aiding in blood pressure control. Organic cinnamon adds a delicious spiced flavor to this tea and has several properties that can contribute to blood pressure management. It contains antioxidants that can help reduce oxidative stress linked to hypertension. Additionally, cinnamon has been associated with improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood sugar levels, which are factors that can influence blood pressure. Organic ginger root has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the blood vessels and improve cardiovascular health. Ginger can also aid in improving blood circulation and reducing oxidative stress, both of which can highly impact blood pressure. Organic cardamom, a spice commonly used in traditional medicine, contains antioxidant compounds that can help reduce stress and inflammation. Both are linked to hypertension. Cardamom has also been found to possess diuretic properties, promoting increased urine production, which can assist in blood pressure management. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is an herb widely used in traditional medicine. It has been found to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can contribute to cardiovascular health and aid in blood pressure management. Additionally, holy basil has been associated with reducing stress and anxiety, both which are factors that can highly influence blood pressure. Organic hibiscus gives this tea its fun pink color, and also has research that suggests hibiscus tea can have a significant effect in lowering blood pressure. It contains bioactive compounds such as anthocyanins and flavonoids, which are vasodilatory and diuretic, promoting relaxation of blood vessels and increased urine production. Although this tea is delicious on its own, iced or hot, let's make a fun recipe that's perfect and refreshing for summer. To begin, we're going to steep 2 teaspoons of our organic blood pressure tea leaves in 6 to 8 ounces of near boiling filtered water for 5 to 7 minutes. Fill a glass with ice and blackberries. The blackberries can be muddled if you'd like a stronger flavor. Once the tea's done steeping, add the tea and some chilled sparkling water. Add some lime to taste, garnish with a lime wedge, and enjoy this delicious summery drink that's full of health benefits. Thank you so much for joining us for this week's Tea of the Week. If you want to check out the rest of the new teas we released, you can go to the links below, where there will also be the link to this recipe and some other fun information about organic blood pressure tea. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye-bye!